At RV Depot, we're changing the way you see in-house financing by making our approval process simple. We will start by asking a few short questions. This will help us better understand what you need and how we can help. Questions like, what type of RV are you looking for? What are you able to provide as a down payment? And what are you comfortable paying monthly? We will then search our inventory until we can find the perfect one for you and your budget.
You can get approved even if you have bad credit, filed bankruptcy, plan to use it for full-time living, or even if you're self-employed.
After you find the perfect unit is when you will submit the application. With our quick and easy approval process, you will know that very same day. Once approved, we will pull your unit into our state-of-the-art shop where our certified technicians will check it from top to bottom, making sure it's ready for you by your delivery date. Before you know it, you're driving off with new adventures in your new home on wheels. It's easy. Give us a call and we'll get you started today.